Those of you who know me know I'm a pretty big fan of grocery shopping. It's one of my favorite things to do. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite underrated groceries that you can buy at the store. So this one, I'm gonna switch the camera around. Oh no, I'm not. I can't do that once I'm in the video. So we have here, I got a fresh unopened box for you guys. It's these 250 count of round toothpicks in a nice little box. And this is really just the cat's meow as far as underrated grocery products goes, because I don't know if you can see this, but it actually acknowledges on the box. I know it's reversed, but it says multiple uses. Points to the toothpick, because really I don't use these to pick my teeth all too often, but what I do use them for is absolutely everything that you need a tiny sharp object to do. So you can pick lint and dust out of your electronics, which is really satisfying to do. You can use it as a shitty version of a spoon if you need to stir some milk into your coffee. You can pick your teeth if you want. You can scrape. Well, I won't say that one because I'm probably going to publish this. You can scrape a lot of things with it, and you can pretend to look cool by. This is my main purpose for using toothpicks, is you can pretend to look really cool by sticking it in your mouth and just chewing on it for a while. It's probably good for quitting cigarettes. I don't know. I've never had to quit cigarettes, but I imagine it's good. A friend of mine used to do it for that reason, and I'm sure a lot of people are like me. But you need to always be doing something, whether it's tapping your fingers on the desk or twitching your foot or something. And the toothpick actually does a really good job taking care of that. You can move it around. You can just take it in and out. It's just a little thing to play with, and it's like doesn't really bother anybody. It's not like vaping or anything. Nobody's really like pissed off or like, oh, that fucking asshole is chewing on a toothpick over there. I mean, people might think that, but they're not gonna do anything. You're a fucking tough guy. You got a goddamn toothpick in your mouth. People aren't gonna fuck with you unless they're fucking stupid. So yeah, I think toothpicks are really great. You can break them. You can throw them on the ground. You can do whatever you want with them. And I think it's a really versatile, really cheap too. I think this was either 69 or 79 cents. And you know, a 250 pack can, even a heavy user like myself, a 250 pack lasts at least a month, and that's really nice. The box could definitely be sturdier, because once you open the little tab, it's kind of easy for the toothpicks to just spill out. Like I had them spill out in my backpack one time, and that kind of sucks, but for the price you pay, obviously they're trying to cut costs on the packaging, so you don't want to ask for too much. You're getting something nice and cheap. Quality toothpicks. So definitely recommend you pick up a box or two the next time you're at the grocery store. And let me know in the comments section what your favorite use for 250 count box of round toothpicks is, because I'm curious to know. Have a good one, folks.